Hi, I'm Bethan. Welcome to Videojug, and this is skating in 5 easy steps.
If this is your first time on the ice, you might want to practice walking on the floor in your boots to get used to balancing on thin blades. Before you step onto the ice, remove your skate guards, lace your boots up tightly, and don't forget to wear gloves and warm clothing.
So here's how to do it in 5 easy steps.
Step 1. Hold onto the barrier with your right hand. Step 2. Step on the ice sideways with your left leg. Step 3. Bring your foot down onto the ice and place your feet in a V position. Step 4. Stretch out your arms in front of you to help you balance. Step 5. Carefully move away from the edge of the rink.
So here's a few tips to help you and a few things to avoid.
Stand tall with your upper body still. Take small marching steps forward until you feel confident enough to glide. Don't move too quickly. Build up speed slowly. Don't step onto the ice without holding on.
And here are those key steps one more time.
Place your right hand on the barrier. Step with your left leg on the ice. Make sure your feet are in a V position and your arms out to the side. Take small marching steps.
So now it's up to you to try it out, practice it, and have fun adding it to your ice skating moves and techniques. And if you enjoyed this, follow us on Videojug's YouTube channel for more skating in 5 easy steps.